Morning. Good morning. Morning, everyone. Morning.
Good morning, good morning, good
Morning,
morning.
everyone. Morning. How's it going? Whoa. Okay. I'm having alerts everywhere. To Snap, Sound, Palantir.
Got a nice double bottom now forming at 650.
Oh shoot, I don't have any levels on my charts on ES and NQ. Okay. What a gap up we had overnight. What happened?
Wasn't there some NVIDIA news or something?
Yeah, NVIDIA going to work with Intel, I think.
Okay.
So I think Intel ripped overnight too, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I have to go look, but that was what I heard this morning. And I've been crazy busy, so I haven't really looked much, but that's what I heard this morning. Let's see. Oh yeah, Intel went from $25 a share up to 32. So
I still don't like it. I
Intel,
don't
Intel's
like
up
Intel.
26%. No, Intel's whatever. But that was I mean, you have the big dog in tech and NVIDIA saying that they're going to invest in you. You're going to move up. Your stock is going to get a pop.
Yes.
It's just how it works.
Yes.
Right. Amazon taking a smack.
Okay, let's see what's looking good. Amazon has like a big head and shoulder. It's been fighting this 231, 232 level. I don't know, it's been moving weird.
Yeah, 230.5 is the 20-day. So interesting there.
I have one, like, I don't know if you guys sometimes played with shares or options, but Palantir holding 172, it's very bullish.
I don't think I've looked at Palantir in like years.
Who was the one that got Snap with me? It was Evertrade?
Evertrade,
Yeah, it was me.
I'm still in it with some.
Yeah, me too.
Nice. Yeah, I'm up 220%. Over 220.
And gold's taking a hit.
Gold? Let's see.
That's okay. More buying opportunities for gold if it comes down.
Was that?
More buying opportunities for gold when it comes down.
Yeah. What's your level?
3,500?
I've been buying for.
Hmm.
I'm playing the ETFs, and yeah, I've been buying for a while. Same with silver.
Nice.
The problem that I have with the gold chart is that all we have a bunch of gaps everywhere.
You love gaps.
Yeah, but not like this.
Well, I think there's a level when there's too many gaps, there's a problem, right?
Yeah.
Like, what do you focus on?
Well, like when I have one big gap, no a bunch of, not like 20 small gaps.
More gaps, more fun.
Yeah, I guess.
I think it's more like more gaps, more problems, but that's
Yeah.
me.
Did you guys play FOMC yesterday?
I played a little bit, got scared, so I bailed. I made like $150. It was not very much. I was like, no, I gotta get out of this. This ain't for me. I don't have the the stomach for that. It's too much.
The fun
it's
is to play
risky.
it with
So risky.
evals.
That is the move. If you're gonna do it, that's a
Yeah,
great way to do
so
it. Or if you have a funded on life support, also can sometimes be a saving grace, right? You can kind of bring it back from the dead,
yes, yeah.
but it
So
is risky.
I play always with evals, but when I also I play with PAs only when the first move is down. Like yesterday, the first move was up. I don't like when that happened. I like the other way around. I like when we have like huge move to the downside and then I buy the dip and then it always bounces. But yesterday was the other
Do
way
you tend to
around.
be a bull at heart?
Huh?
Do you tend to be more of a bull in general,
No,
ADR?
I'm bear. I'm a bear.
Oh, wow, okay.
I love bear market. I haven't seen that in like, I don't know, 3 years? 4 years?
Yeah.
Yeah, this
It's been
upside
a while.
sucks.
Mm.
Yeah.
I'd be watching for 740 as well, possibly if we get up into that area, kind of. But we're not getting up there right now.
This market is like forcing me to play all-time highs because I hate playing that and gap and goes. Like I know how to play them. I just most of the time I'm red, but this market is like forcing me to do it. I used to like
ADR, how long have you been
skip
trading
gap
for?
and go days.
How long have you been trading?
9 years.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah, but I will say like 6, maybe 5. It's like the real the real ones. I started with penny stocks and then I moved into crypto and then shares and then options and now futures.
Everybody starts with penny stocks. Tim
I
Sykes.
did too.
I think it depends when you started. Like if you started like 8, 10 years ago, everything we saw was Timothy Sykes. So
Yeah.
he was the only one around, to be honest. He was early with YouTube and all that.
Yeah, that dude made so much money out of people.
Interesting selling here. Again, watching down to 590-ish. Yes, definitely below the previous day. High now they're at whatever that was, 86.
Yeah.
Damn it. I had my profit target set wrong on Top Step. I need to make another $100.
Oh no, that's the worst. The last like
I said-
150 is the worst.
I'm an idiot because I cut a loss like real quick for like $100, and then I just took that rejection off 700, and I just set my TP for three grand. I'm working on some 100Ks right now, so I set it for 3 grand. So right now I'm at 2,900.
Small micros.
Yeah.
Just small hits. Yeah, that's the one that sucks over there. I'm hoping that this is the start of the downside move, finally.
Okay, who was that?
That's me. That's me. I told you I meant to mute. I didn't mute. That's on me today. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for a downside. I want to see the 650 reject right here, and I want to see downside into that 590 is what I'm shooting for.
Yeah, I like
So-
To the
that
Yeah,
your
to
reaction.
the downside.
Yes.
I want to get down to 590, 600.
So SPX 6600 is the biggest gamma to the downside for support. So
I don't know what SPX is at right now, so
that's PDC.
You guys are too fancy for me.
To what?
I'm keeping it simple here, right? Like I'm looking for this 50 rejection. That's it, right? If it goes down, great. I'm gonna have my stop kind of up around 55, 60-ish. We get up to that, that's fine. We could get up to about we could get up to about 60. And then still push down. So we'll see here. I like the fact that, I mean, 67 is where 68, 67 is where VWAP is. So I guess we get all the way up there, but I'm not gonna hold on that long. So we break back below 30, I might add.
So the Asia 50% is at 24,600 and London low is 585. I'd like to see us kind of come like because you were saying 590s, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'd like something in there to see how we react.
Okay. Looks like we're
Gold's
going for
coming
the
into
gap.
support.
See, it's really good going here now. Just kind of holding up. We get a good slip. That'll be a good sign for me to maybe start moving some. Okay. Okay.
Whoa.
Give me some more.
Whoa.
Give me some
Okay.
more. Oh, okay. All right. I'm gonna take it off there at 620. It's okay. That was good for a
Nice.
few $100.
Yeah,
It
that was
could keep
beautiful.
going, right? But I'll
Mhm.
take my piece in case we get a slip back up.
Gold is at support right now.
So that's now down to 600, almost, so 610. Still think it has more room down to 590. If we get down there, I will actually flip this in long, right? I'll go the other way.
At what level?
Assuming it
I'm
looks
sorry?
good, right? I'm not gonna blindly 590-ish.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I have the same.
Yep. I'll be looking for 590 to possibly long there if we get there.
That was crazy. I just got like a crazy fill at 603, but I swear it was ticking up at 615. It like filled me crazy fast.
That happened to me yesterday. Like we got a push and it filled me like 12 points out of where my limit was. Obviously, I didn't mean that happens sometimes, but it was aggressive, the amount of slip I had. Okay, so here's interesting now. I'm gonna watch this closely.
Yeah, I'm watching this too. That's previous all-time high. It was an important support level pre-market or after hours.
Wanted
I
a
don't know
little
how
bit
you
lower
want.
there.
Overnight, whatever
Yeah,
you want to
kind of
call
like
it.
lower.
Don't hold here though. It's not the spot I want you to hold. Still wanted like another 7 to 10 points below that. Oh boy. Oh, that was nice.
You know what I've noticed is that gold has been moving with ES and NQ.
That's
Which
weird.
is weird
That's not
because I swear,
that's not
like
normal.
6 months ago, it wasn't. I swear it
No,
was
it
like
wasn't.
inverse.
Well, it's I mean, gold does tend to move not with ES and NQ.
Yeah, now
So
it is.
the fact that it is odd.
Yeah. Because yeah, like a few months ago, I'd play like one firm, say on NQ or ES, and then like on a different company, I'd take gold the opposite way.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's not happening anymore.
Now I just pop both accounts.
That dump caused gold to dump as well.
So interesting.
Yeah, we're like below. I think we're below like a. Oh, never mind. I had like a longer term trend going on gold, but I forgot I switched it up this morning.
Yeah, we came in support 3667.
SPY just filled the gap.
I'm looking at my. Which gap?
The overnight gap. So basically from today's open till yesterday's close.
Gotcha.
The Q, damn, what a move. The Q has a little more room to go to fill the gap.
You don't take into account the overnight trading much.
Only on my 5-minute time frame chart, not on the 30 and daily.
So like, how do you guys read this here? I mean, we're pushing, but are you looking at this as like a bounce or like a break and retest to the downside? Because
I
like
don't
right
know.
now, these like 670 to 660s
Yeah.
is
I
like 50% of orb
so
and
I
half
think if
of
660
like.
hold, the next one's gonna be 680. If 680 hold, I think we're gonna go
Sheesh.
way higher. Yeah.
Man, because like I
Wow.
didn't take that initial. Sheesh. I didn't take that initial 600 because I was kind of waiting for like a
90.
little lower retest or
Okay.
something. But
LT, we
damn,
wanted 90.
Yeah.
That's what we wanted. We all wanted
That's
90.
yeah.
590 was the
Damn.
obvious zone. I'm like, man, I'm gonna wait.
Me
And
too.
then I saw
Me
that
too.
IFVG on the 15-minute. I'm like, man, I gotta take it. So I took some longs in that zone.
Oh,
Nice.
good. Yeah. Even the 2-minute was perfect. The way we went that swept back up. That was damn. That was nice. That
We
was
can
real
look
nice.
for ES morning high.
It is boogieing now.
It's a buy the dip environment until it's not, unfortunately.
Yep.
To the upside, 650 on SPX is the biggest pull. So we may go test that live. We tested it overnight, but it doesn't really count.
I'm
That's going to
watching.
bring the
Do you
market
trade
up.
gold a lot, Case?
I have, yeah. It's just gold is like NQ, where it just doesn't respect levels well.
It's like it. I feel like on some days it like respects levels that I wouldn't expect it to.
Right.
And then other days I look for, I don't know, I think because I play a lot of, say, sweeps or break and retests of like previous high low, and gold
Yeah.
is just like does its own thing. Some
Yeah, like
days
right now,
it respects it, other days it doesn't.
right now it swept 3667, which was a sell side liquidity,
Hmm.
and it's bouncing.
Yeah.
So it kind of respected that. Maybe short-lived bounce, but
So
I
like
mean,
here,
with minis, you can do some damage. 5
oh
minis
dude.
will get you a
Yeah.
good amount of money.
5
Oh yeah.
minutes. God, I can't even. My heart can't take 5 minutes. I'll be honest, guys.
If
Really?
you just do it one
I'm sorry.
time,
Sorry,
Or
5
one?
micros. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. Well, hold on. That's a little different case.
Yeah.
Just a smidge.
5 micros on gold. It'll do some damage.
Okay. It's like 5 minis would be aggressive, dude.
I know. 5 minis you only do it with an eval account.
Oh yeah. That's a eval YOLO 1 day pass trying to get it in one shot. Like,
Oh yeah, that's
That-
minimum.
yeah. LT's like, how many cons can I take? 27?
Yeah, all
Good.
of them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So like, would you guys play this 50% orb here if we got down into like 665s?
Um,
Or are you looking at this as like a rejection
No.
of 700?
no, I wouldn't play that personally. That's me. Now, the good thing about 665 is that's also VWAP if that interests you, right? That's kind of interesting. But
Okay.
yeah, I wouldn't, right? Right now, for me, the problem I have is the fact that we are smack in the middle of the orb, right? And I don't love that, right? That's not where I want to be. Because I
Gotcha.
treat the orb like a range in the morning. The 15-minute until it's kind of it's a range for a bit. So I don't want to touch it, right? Like in the middle. I
Mhm.
want to get above or below. So that's me personally, though. I mean,
Yeah, I mean
I get that.
the 15-minute you got to get above 100 or below 0, and then come back and you can use the inside of the orb to go long
like a
or go
bounce
short.
point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. I agree with that too. In
Yeah.
fact, one of my 15-minute orb strategy is waiting for a 5-minute close outside of it, and then you
Mhm.
can take it there, and your stop will be below the 50%, right? Because a lot of times you'll see it come back in and move. If it does
Yeah.
pull back, it'll come back into around the 50% and hold there. If it
Yeah.
doesn't, then it's probably going out the other direction. But yeah,
Yuck.
super fun. I have a meeting in 6 minutes that I need to go to that hopefully will be quick, and then I'll be right
We
back.
need to cancel these meetings, man.
Bro, this week has been a nightmare. I don't know what is happening, but everybody needs something.
Unacceptable.
I know, that's how I feel too.
Does your guys' volume on WAP just not work? Like the slide?
For what?
Like if you're listening to Desi's stream on WAP, and in the bottom right, if you right click, there's like the user volume slide where you can like turn him down. My thing just always stays at 100. Like I cannot change it.
Let me try. Are you using the app or the website?
The site.
The site.
Right click near the name,
Yeah.
and there's a volume toggle there.
Yeah, that like user volume, that slide.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does not work. I
Whoa.
slide it down and it just goes right back to 100%.
Damn, it works for me.
Okay, ES just reacted morning high. That was an ugly but perfect reaction.
I think we're gonna go to 6,600 on SPX. That is.
This SPX case, this stuff you get killing me. Now I gotta pull it up. I gotta have it in a separate chart so I can see it.
I mean, yeah, because that'll move them ES down with it. You know, it's the cash equivalent of it. So
So that's where we closed, right? Last night.
yeah, that's PDC.
6,600. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. I don't know. And you're using Gamma.
Was that?
What are you using to determine like what you want to see using Gamma? I don't know enough about it, so I'm asking because I've heard you, like you,
Yeah,
knowledge, a couple
Gamma
of guys talk about Gamma. I don't know anything about Gamma. I couldn't know
Gamma
that.
is based on open interest.
Okay.
So I mean, it fluctuates all the time. So that's the problem with it too. It's reliable, but
So is
You know.
it sort of similar to like when I'm looking at the DOM or book map, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. You
Yeah.
look at what order they're sitting, or people want to get in or get out, or whatever the case. You don't know necessarily
Yeah.
which direction they want, but it's there. Okay, I got you.
I would look at it like that.
That was an interesting candle there.
See now the gamma flipped to 66.50. So 66.50 continues to be like a pull to the upside, and it's something that we hit overnight, and then started rejecting out of. So
Whose doggo is that?
That's mine. He's losing his freaking mind. My wife is home vacuuming, and for whatever reason, if my wife is vacuuming, he doesn't know how to control himself. He's just he loses his cool. I shut the door. He's outside. Let me see it. Let me know if that helps.
I don't know worries. I love dogs. I just wanted to know whose dogs was that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's
In fact, I want a
that's fine.
picture of him.
Okay. I'll send you one. I got a bunch.
I'm watching Morning High
I'll
on
put it in chat
ES.
later. The orb high is at what, morning as in pre-market or like
I'm sorry, New
what do
York
you want?
session. So
It
it's
is
a little bit
92
about,
and a
yeah,
half.
92 and a half, yes.
92 and a half. Yeah.
If we hold that, I'm playing the upside.
Okay. Meeting. I'll be right back, guys.
Okay.
boom.
The Q, that was a tricky retest to all-time high, previous all-time high.
Yeah.
It missed it by a little bit.
All right, finish that top step.
Mm.
Sweet.
Nice.
Oh my god, I didn't have them copied. I just freaking
What?
realized I didn't have
That's
both
the
copied.
word.
Are you kidding me?
Holy shit,
That
man.
sucks. I've just been trading this one all morning. I
LT, I
just
think
took
you need an
out.
assistant, man.
I
When
know.
what I've noticed is that Topstep's having an issue with when you change settings on the main account that you're copying from, it doesn't propagate to the rest, and it
Hmm,
undoes the copying.
interesting.
So careful when you're copying and making changes to the
I
main account.
Yeah. I know yesterday I didn't have them. I just opened them up yesterday during all that craziness, but I know I didn't have them copied yesterday, so that's on me. But man, that sucks. I totally forgot about that this morning.
Well, just you can do it now, so you're good.
I should have held that. It was a nice 50% order block sweep. What more could you ask for?
Okay, I like this move on ES. Nice strong push above morning high. I want to see this 5-minute candle closing like that, so that's a possible play to the upside. Lead for me. Yep, I like this.
Careful with 6696.
Which one?
669697.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Well,
Okay, I want to see this candle closing strong and this one pulling back a little bit, please. Maybe? You're not gonna give me a pullback here?
Case, did you load up on Traderify?
Yeah, I'm on it now, actually. I'm trading gold on it. Up
I load up too.
587.
I got trailed out on my
Dang it.
Tradifies there. I got 700 to 722 on micro. Meow.
I think the max is like $1,000 that you can make in to stay consistent. 1050, I guess it was that I.
So we're coming into that 760 high. That's what my target was there, but I don't even know if I want to trade these again.
Well, no pullback for me, no entry. But I'm watching this 760 on the Q, on NQ. Whoa. Okay.
What a crazy ass move off 600. We were all looking at 590 and it just ripped.
Damn.
650.
I hate when that happens.
SPY gamma to the upside is 665, which is PMH.
Like pre-market high.
Yeah. Q's gamma is
Qs were almost to pre-market high.
Yeah, that's what I'm
600.
watching now.
Q1's upside.
Man, what a freaking pump.
This shit is wild.
This is too much.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Careful with 6708.
That's crazy. Okay. Yeah, 708. Mm-hmm.
It's crazy because even micros on ES are moving, and that never happens.
Okay. 760. Are we gonna break this? I'm scared of going short on this market. Look at that 30-minute candle on
I
ES.
wrecked myself with, like last week shorting. I don't remember which day it was, but
I like this reaction on NQ. I really like it.
full port for 2 points.
There's a fib extension rejection on NQ right here from the orb. And that's QQQ's pre-market high.
Yeah. That's overnight high.
When we get to levels like this is kind of where I would look to see if we reject this and then come back down into orb for like a break and
For a
retest.
long.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah,
You could.
that's
like
what I was
2
thinking. If I want to wait for ES to go back down to 692, 693.
Yeah, that's a tough one because with 6,700 there, it's like kind of don't want to step in the way of that.
This shit is crazy. Oh, that 6650 is almost there on SPX. We're 4 points away. So
I did not expect this after that like 8:30 sell-off we had.
Yeah.
it's just ridiculous. It'll make a great market when we pull back somewhere decent, you know. Like here, you're just chasing highs and highs and highs and highs. You just don't know when the rug pull comes.
Yeah, Apple is dumping, yes.
So what's driving this then?
I don't know because
SMH.
um
SMH.
but Nvidia is
SMH
not
is
moving
driving
much.
this.
But it's at a very strong support now. Like it needs to break, I would say, morning high, 175.
Yeah, look at SMH is strong, really strong. Like making all-time high strong. Yeah, Apple's dumping. Microsoft is kind of pushing. Nvidia is kind of recovering. Stupid Tesla.
If I'm gonna try it out. Let's see.
You trying what out?
A reaction here on NQ.
Nice.
You're taking a short?
Yeah, don't love it, but we'll see.
Then what the hell did Desi do? Desi want something? What the hell was he trading?
I think Palantir and Oklo.
I guess he did well.
6K. 6K, yeah.
Beast.
Yeah, my stop loss is previous candle high. Let's see if he is gonna break 708. Oh, I don't like how ES is moving here. Okay.
Gold looking a little like rejecting yesterday's low. 680.
Let's go with that rejection code. Go. Yes. Reject yes.
We're moving weird here.
There's an SMT. Yeah. 3 points away from 50 on SPX.
Yeah, I'm out. I don't like this. I don't like how we're moving here. Nvidia is holding support and Apple is bouncing. I don't like these candlesticks, how it's moving. I wanted to see yes also rejecting 708. Yeah, look at that move on ES.
It's just crazy. What a
Yeah.
move.
ES is gonna go back to overnight high.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That's where SPY is going.
And no real pullbacks.
I kind of want to take this gold short here.
Every day, YOLO. YOLO, just buy the dip and then just close your eyes. You say you want to take a gold short. Just careful with
I,
what do I have?
I think so, but the more I'm looking at it, I feel like we're at the bottom of this like trend I got going on. We just keep ping ponging.
Yeah.
Maybe
Careful
I
with
won't. I'm like pretty much done. I probably shouldn't push nothing else. All
don't do
all
it.
the firms are traded on and pretty much locked up, except for that one Top Step account. But that's probably going to be for another day. I can't believe I did that.
Did you end up undoing the did you end up getting all the other accounts paired up?
I just have two Top Steps that I opened up yesterday. So I finished up the one today, and I realized I didn't have the other linked. So that one needs another 3K on it.
Damn. YOLO.
Yep.
Just YOLO it. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Just
Not financial advice.
no. Don't do it.
Are you gonna react here?
Might be it.
Mm.
That's it.
Ooh.
This is where the move started. One of the moves started on pre-market to the downside. It could be
760
a
on
good starting
NQ.
point. If you look at ES on the 15, is where it started dumping at 8:30. So it could. It's just kind of a little too strong. Oh shit, we hit 66.50 on SPX to the T. And we started rejecting.
I think Tesla is getting ready. It's consolidating really nice, holding previous day high and holding support. If we hold here, pre-market high on QQQ, I think this could be an entry to go long.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back. Everybody miss me?
Mm.
That's what I thought. How are we doing? I see that we've just gone straight up. That's interesting. Like literally just straight up. Anybody do anything? Get anything? Take anything?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I'm red so far. I tried to short the
Oh,
top
you try to
on
try to
AQ.
short? Nah.
Look at that pump. Crazy. I'll
That's
be back.
pretty impressive.
It's just bananas.
Just going. The interesting thing here too is like I also have I also use the average true range high and low.
I'm so mad that ES didn't give me a pullback. I just want ES to go already to morning high, to overnight high. So we can have a pullback or something, a break and retest to the upside. Okay. Nvidia is looking pretty good now. So if Nvidia keeps going higher, NQ is gonna keep going, most likely. Okay. What a
Wow,
crazy
I
move.
realized I was not in voice for a while. I guess my phone decided that it didn't want to be in voice anymore. Okay. So 6720, I'm assuming is
Yeah,
next.
720.
I mean, I don't know why we don't go for that at this point. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, I mean, NQ's just literally straight up. I mean, okay.
Yeah, I honestly right now I don't see a reason why NQ shouldn't keep going higher because we have Microsoft holding support. Same thing with Amazon. Apple bouncing, which was the only one that it was going lower, and we
The
have Nvidia ripping.
Yeah, the only thing is Nvidia's now touching pre-market high, right? And so I'd be curious what Nvidia does up at now. Granted, it has a ways to go, but up at 178 would be interesting for Nvidia too, right? For me. So like we'll see. But it held the previous day high in the pivot, Nvidia so perfectly. And then just absolutely. So yeah. It's strong. Down into 780, maybe. Want to get crazy?
Yuck. Ugly reaction, but I wanted to see 720.
It's a SPY pre-market.
Yeah, but it was a little bit higher also.
Yeah.
I think 760 may not be bad. 760 pullback could be nice too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's an ugly reaction.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a crazy move to the upside. I was not expecting that.
Mm-hmm.
Done. I
Mhm.
passed the other top step.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
You
Yo.
played that reaction?
Yeah, give me.
I'm
Holy
not
crap.
surprised.
Yeah. Took 797.
Oh, okay. Look at you. Nice. No, don't do it now though. I
Yeah.
want 60.
Mm-hmm.
I still kind of want 60 for a long, I'll be honest. I still kind of want that, but I don't.
I want to see a little bit of consolidation there now.
Yeah, yes. 55, 60. That kind of area would be pretty nice. I would like that. the way it's moving, I'm not expecting like a monster spike right away. So
Duke. But I don't really like that move on ES. That's a hard reaction.
So this is what I was kind of looking at there, is falling out of that trend. And then it's like we kind of went back to test it and just fell right out of those 800s.
that's nice.
Okay, can we hold here?
This is an interesting spot here.
Take me higher.
It's my gut, Case. My gut's saying this is what we can hold, but let's see.
I don't know. Rejecting 50 on SPX, so I don't know.
Goddamn SPX. I need to look at it again. Yeah, yeah. Up into 56.
Yep.
NVIDIA broke over the 50-day, is now holding it. Let's see what NVIDIA wants to do there.
I'd say break it down.
I really wanted to push these Tradeify accounts because I think today or tomorrow would be my last day logged like for payout, but I need to make I think another 300 or 400 bucks, but I feel like I need to just walk away. I did not expect this freaking pump today at all.
Okay, I'm gonna try a long here. Let's see. I want to see 760 holding.
Yeah, I don't. Again, I like this. I do like it. My gut says it's good.
Yeah, I mean, what is this pre-market high? This is where that move down started from. So yeah, I mean that's a
Yep, yep.
good
And
spot.
that's my thought too. It's holding that pre-market high could be really good. I mean, if we don't hold this, we're going down to probably 720, right? So
Mm-hmm.
It's going down.
Tesla waking up.
man, it's a very interesting spot right here.
but I don't like ES. So,
Oops.
hmm, need a bounce here. Okay, no.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Look,
It's a
it's
good
gonna
try
bounce.
though.
I mean, that's definitely a good level.
Yeah, yeah,
Worth
it was
worth a stab.
for sure. It was a good try. It was a
Oh,
good try.
And now we bounce.
Case. He says no. I mean, don't do that. Don't do that to ADR.
sorry.
Go down
No.
some more so she's validating the fact she got out.
No, I think the pressure's shifted.
Yeah, I think that we could see ES down to 92, maybe 92, maybe down to actually 86.
This 700 here is London's 50%, which I don't totally. I don't even
Buy
know what
into.
the hell London is. It's just I found an indicator the other day that I just like the look of it, but I turned off a ton of stuff. I just want to find something where it just marks the overnight highs and lows and the previous day highs and lows, and I can't find one that I like at
If
all.
if
Is it
you
called Kill Zone or something like that?
This
that
is one of them. I got kill
that's a
zones
common
and
one.
pivots.
Killzone ICT pivot or whatever, that's pretty common. I
Yeah,
used to love to use
like
that one.
this one I like, but I
I'm
have to
in
have
Oh,
again,
the
by the way.
pre-market.
are you
What's
in
that?
again? You said.
Huh?
Oh, Ada, are you back in? Is that what you said?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this one is
70 would
just
be a
it.
big order hit, and looks like they filled. There's still 100 lots there left. I think it would fill about 700 lots there.
Okay.
Give her some more.
What was that?
No, no,
Liquidity grab.
that's what it looks like. I mean, the last 10 minutes of Tesla has been pretty aggressive as well, up to the upside. That's
Oh
interesting.
yeah. Yeah, I'm in
Yeah,
Tesla.
doesn't.
Yeah, that's an
That was a
aggressive
beautiful
move.
consolidation holding the VWAP.
Yeah, that was really, really strong. Jeez. Nvidia with like a kind of a slower burn now back down into kind of that 20-day and VWAP there.
How come you close your trade when it was still in your market out zone? Because I wanted to see the 760 hold and it was rejecting. But I do think I should have definitely waited for the candle to close.
Is Sean on voice? Sean? No. Okay.
Yes, no bueno.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I need coffee. I'll be right back.
So far, I like this consolidation on NQ. But yeah, we need ES to hold.
Yeah.
I like this Nvidia hold, Microsoft, Amazon too. Apple, I needed to break the VWAP.
I don't like how NQ keeps rejecting though as you push up.
Let's see.
ES is causing this.
It's gonna stop me out, yeah. Is there another fake out here?
I think ES is causing this, so it
Yeah.
might be an actual move down.
It looks like it is gonna go back down to 692. But
Yeah.
NQ keeps holding because we have tech looking pretty good. I still like a lot this NQ hold. It looks like today I'm gonna have a bigger red date that I wanted.
Oh.
Okay, I'm back.
I was so
The slow split.
close to 50K on the challenge, and now it's gonna be like 20. Because today is a big red day, bigger than I wanted.
It's tough trading NQ because you just think it's gonna do one thing, and it does another one right away.
Yeah.
Well, we're also in a tough spot too with, you know, this constant all-time highs with not making it easy either, right? It's not a easy, it's just not an easy market to trade,
Yeah.
right? So
Plus, I have the pressure of people watching me. Plus, I have the pressure of the challenge.
yeah, yeah. I don't know how I'd like at some point I've thought about maybe sharing my screen and showing some stuff, but I don't know how I would do. It's a lot of pressure to be sharing out. It's different when we talk about it, right? When we're having a chat, I'll kind of let you know what I see, what I want to do, but having someone watch you click the button is very different.
Yeah.
Yes, now at VWAP. 662.50 is interesting on SPY here.
I wouldn't take longs on the ES.
Well, I'm not taking. I wouldn't take long on anything right now either.
Yeah. We got above Q's pre-market high. Now we're under it. We're rejecting it.
I think we need ES 692.
Yeah, I mean that's a solid
Back to
level
the
there.
orb. Yep.
Yeah, top of the orb. I still don't trust. Oh, shit, I got a meeting. I gotta go. Damn it.
Cancel it.
You gotta get rid of those
No.
meetings, Case. Remember
I
we talked
did.
about this.
I had to move it again.
Cancel it again.
Later, bud.
See you, dude.
See you, man. The 730 zone is what I was watching too for a retest to previous supply zone
Mm-hmm.
on the 5. See how it reacts.
Yeah, I was actually looking at that same level for a potential scalp long. Maybe 28 at the lowest.
Alrighty, guys. I'm out of here. I'm heading out.
Later, bud.
We'll see you
Good, bro.
guys.
Have a good one.
I'm gonna try to be on tomorrow, but I don't know if that's gonna happen yet. So,
Okay. Sounds good. If we see you, great. If not, then have a
yep.
great weekend.
Oh yeah, you guys too. Take care.
Bye.
Is ES giving back like 50% of the move?
I'll tell you in 1 second. Hold on. Pull up fib.
It's got to be close.
50% is going to be about 64. I mean, I'm going back to you know. Yes, if I go to I make a shorter one here. Hold on. I was going for the bigger leg. Let me go to the shorter leg 1 sec. Yeah, we are at the 50.
Hmm.
I mean, within a point or two, right? We're right there.
Yeah. Damn, what a move on coin. That's gonna be a nice trade tomorrow or next week.
Uh-oh. Someone's in a position. I heard it.
That's me getting out.
Nice.
That's one of two scalps gone, trailing the next.
Can you tell us how much drawdown? You see that on your account.
For this one trade?
No,
I'm not sure what you mean.
answering a question here that I got on YouTube. Because
Oh,
my
Every
accounts
trade,
have,
that was a nice bounce.
yeah, my accounts have a big buffer. I never pull out all the gains.
Took a nice scalp off it too.
It says that they are liquidated. Are your accounts still have drawdown left? Yes, a lot.
What a nice, I mean, that was a nice hold. Great call out, guys. That was fantastic.
Oh. If only I had taken more, says every trader in
well.
hindsight.
Yeah, I mean, for sure. This
My hindsight trading, by the way, it's like 100% accurate, just so you know.
You know what's funny about that is that mine is also. There's something to be said there, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I thought so too. I thought I was the only one. I guess not.
No, I've been holding that record for a little while now.
Nice.
Do I get a scalp short? Feels like it's too easy.
I would probably unsubscribe from the channel. If you subscribe from the channel just because you had a red day, that definitely says a lot more about you than my trading.
There is not a single trader ever that has never had a red day.
Yeah.
And if they say they haven't, they're lying to you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
people
that's
think
why
that
I
this
only
like
follow traders that don't lose.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, ADR, go ahead.
No worries. No, like I think people think like this is like you follow one person that is a good trader and they think they're gonna be rich just because they're follow blindly.
Well, they're looking. What they're looking for is they're looking for someone. They're looking for a caller, right? So a signal caller. That's all they want. They want someone that they can just literally click the button when they say buy, right, and sell. They don't want to actually learn. They don't want to put in the work.
So I just read 3 days. I haven't been. This is my first red day. You know what? I'm gonna block you.
That's tough with YouTube. You get so many trolls.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be able to do it. I'd want to strangle everyone.
That's why sometimes I take like a month without streaming. I took like 3 months without streaming.
Yeah, I would need some days of personal days for mental reasons.
I've never done it, but the way I see it is you got to be a politician and just realize that you never. Whoa.
What
Yeah,
was
that's
that?
aggressive.
Damn. What is that?
That's interesting.
It brought right back up.
Which probably means it was nothing.
11:06. There's no news.
Okay, so we have a SPY holding the VWAP. And we are holding 760 again. If this gonna go, I'm gonna be so mad. What a chop mess here.
It's a weird looking 1 minute candle there. And lots of volume came in too.
I hate when I'm so close to passing an eval and you just like really trying to find the trade to take and just finish this thing off.
I don't know about you, but my experience there is that it usually doesn't work and you're better off waiting till tomorrow.
Almost 110% of the time ever trade. Like it is why I think LT was talking about earlier, the 150 you have to make. That last 150 seems like a just so challenging to make.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, guys, if you get an ADR DM, like that account is first sending you a DM or a friend request, that's not me. I never send DMs to anyone or friend request. Never. What is that? What is that sound?
Sorry, that's my typing.
What do you have? Like a 1980s typewriter? What's
Yeah,
going
it
on there?
sounded so weird.
It's got like a weird like thought to it. Like it's got like
I
a
thought it
really
was a
interesting
dog
sound.
drinking water.
Okay, all right. I mean,
It's
I wouldn't go
it's
that far. I mean, but that's pretty funny.
I don't know what you guys hear, but it's a silent keyboard. Like the whole point is supposed to be quiet. So that's all I know.
Maybe you're just a heavy typer. Just got like the heavy fingers. I almost think we guys switch and just put the eval on pause and switch to my other funded next accounts and
ADR,
not
what
try
do
to
you
get this
think
thing done
about
today.
Apple? I don't know. I don't like how Apple move. Nice VWAP hold, but I don't like how Apple is moving lately.
All you Apple folks gonna get your new phone tomorrow?
No.
Okay.
You are?
So many friends are like, oh, pre-ordered. No, I'm not. I don't do Apple at all. No, thank you.
Oh.
I just have a lot of friends that are like, oh yeah, I pre-ordered. I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be great.
No,
Can't
not like
wait.
that.
You know.
I couldn't care less about my phone, to be honest. I change it when it's like really slow or it's broken.
Yeah, I can't justify the price yet.
That's wild. The only time I get new phones is when they have like really good deals on like trading in my old phone, plus they give you incentive and stuff. Then I'm like, okay, time. Every 2 to 3 years is when I tend to do it. Probably more often than I need to, but
I might need
I
to
used to
change my
upgrade
after
all the
phone.
time, but I used to work like 12 or 16-hour shifts at a hospital. So I
Okay.
needed that battery and, like just to have a phone
Mhm.
all day. But now that I work from home, I don't need a battery. I don't even need a phone.
Yeah.
You're like, I can do
I
everything from
want
my
to,
computer. It's fine.
yeah.
AVR, what is your trading style and how many layouts you keep open and intervals you look at? My trading style, I don't even know. I just watch, I don't know how to call that, but I just watch candlesticks and levels. I think that's price action. No idea. And I keep open. I have Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, ES, and NQ. And if I'm looking in two or three more screens for, not screen, like window tabs for the stocks that I'm watching that are on my watch list. Like right now, I'm watching Palantir, Tesla, and Snap. And I only use the daily and the 5 minute time frame or the 30 and the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, I think we're gonna have 592, 590s on, I'm sorry, 690s on ES. Thank you keeps holding here.
Still holding. Wow. I'm
SPY
curious. I know
keeps
we
holding.
talk about work meetings. How many people in? Oh, no, go ahead, ADR.
No, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, I know we talk work meetings. How many people in here actually trade full time versus just kind of do it on the side? And obviously, you know, quite a few of us have our meetings for work outside of actually trading. I'm just kind of curious how many people do that full time trading. Because it's not easy. I know ADR, you're one. But who else?
Is yes gonna go without touching 690 too? Full time in Toronto. I have one here.
Okay, awesome. How long have you been trading? Whoever's full time in Toronto. I'm always kind of curious, right? At what point did you decide that this is what you want to do and this you were going to give this a shot? It's not an easy profession to get into, right? It's very challenging. So
1.5 years.
stuff always
He
interests
said.
me. Wow, good for you. That's impressive.
Yes. I think I'm gonna end the day red. It's kind of bigger red day that I wanted, but yes, didn't give me a pullback to 692, 760 fake out on NQ like 3 times. What's my job? This is my job.
Never trade. We had that. Too bad we didn't hold though.
Oh my God, that 30 bounce? Holy moly. Oh, it's wild.
Yeah, my Amazon hasn't delivered my crystal ball yet, so I'm still waiting.
Whoa.
When it comes in, give me it. Let me know. I'd like to know how it works so I can get one too.
I got the small one, but we'll see how it works.
If it's good, I'll order the big one. I'll let you know.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be red with futures, but a huge green with options. Thanks to Snap and Palantir. What a fake out on NQ.
Wild. Holy moly. Well, what a good move that was. I mean, that is I mean, we pulled smack to the middle of a 15-minute fair value gap on ES. Wow.
What are these move? Huge
All right, guys, I
move to
gotta
the
go to a
upside.
meeting.
Another meeting? Another one with a
Later, Roz.
meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, My manager
Follow
keeps
the-
like he's trying to harass me, asking me to test all this stuff. I said, "Oh, 1 sec, I'm just running a report." Meanwhile, I haven't done anything since 9:30. So
I'm still running that same report, boss. It's been
yeah.
2 hours, dude. Sorry, it's a long report. I'll tell you.
So I told him, "Matt, give me 5-10 minutes. It's almost done."
Okay.
So,
All right. Go do your thing.
all right,
Later,
guys.
bud.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
So yeah,
I'm gonna hang out. I'll hang out till about 11:30 here and see if anything else sets up, but I might be done too.
we might be
No one
having a little short here,
Yeah, it could be.
possibly.
I'm scared to trying to do anything. I already have three
The
red.
thing too is
Yeah.
I'm just looking at the fact that ES still can go for the highs. They still haven't swept the highs yet, right? Still hasn't taken
Mhm.
20. So I'm a little torn here on what to do, which is why I feel like this might be the time to step away. Oh, someone's
Okay, who
doing it.
was
Is that
that?
you ever trade? It's faint. It's so faint. I know when it's that
I-
faint, it's got to be ever trade. Way in the
keep on
background.
forgetting to mute.
It's okay. I did it this morning. It happens. I'm usually on top of it. I try to be, but you know.
Mm-hmm.
Why did they add this?
Need a PayPal?
It's adding like things for me at work. I don't want to do this right now. I'm gonna pass, but thanks.
Tesla is a mess today. Palantir looking beautiful. Okay, let me watch PayPal. Yeah, we're thinking on buying PayPal and Square XYZ lips. I like it for the next 4 months. It's Christmas season. And they both been consolidating for a long time.
I tried playing Square, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago or something. I got shaken out, but yeah, it's kind of.
Yeah, I really like Square Block or whatever you want to call it.
Oh, sorry, Block. Yeah, my bad.
Mhm. By the way, it's today's breaking out of resistance. This could be a nice trade tomorrow if it gave us a pullback. And I can see it going to 82.
Yeah, I'm looking more like 100, hopefully, but
Let me see how are the lips for
you got-
XYZ.
on the weekly, it's going straight sideways. So to
Yeah,
break
that's
out of
pretty
this
good.
zone
Yeah.
should bring it up to 100. And from 100, we'll see.
Yeah, the 80 calls for March 20 for next year are under $10. Oh, not bad.
I know it's not a fast mover, but UPS is sitting right near its COVID lows. I don't know why FedEx has not gone down so much if UPS is having issues, but
Oh,
any stock sitting at its COVID lows seems like
yeah. Yeah, it could
potential
be.
value.
Definitely. Yes. Yeah, like this 81, 80 level to buy.
I think we might be in the wrong room, ADR. I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. If LT was here, he would kick you off the cliff. He'd say, "Get out of here! Get out of here with that."
I like more XYZ and PayPal. They're looking pretty good, especially XYZ. Yeah, I really like XYZ. Okay.
I can DM you a few things that I'm either in or looking at if you
Yes.
want.
Yes, please do.
You can't respond back though, Evertrade, because it might not be her, right?
Yeah.
Fake it. She doesn't ever talk to anybody. Fake account.
I have ADR's DM before she got famous.
Oh, wow. Wow, name dropping there, right? Is that what that is?
I don't know. I find it so easy to know if it's me or not. Just by looking if you have the same like servers in common. That's
I
it.
mean, the quickest thing is knowing where you are, which is in this Discord, clicking your name and seeing your actual ID. I mean, it wouldn't,
Yeah.
I mean, it's not too challenging, right? Also, just knowing that there's about a 0% chance anybody like that is going to DM you first,
Yeah.
right? So just knowing that, but that can be tough.
And
I
I'm
think people
also
also,
paying
and this is no offense to
for
anybody.
I'm also paying for my profile like design, whatever, like bling bling design. So it's a little bit different.
You got to remember though, these things usually come from people who are not computer literate and also new to Discord. So
That's true.
they don't
That's
have the
also
background
true.
and they're new to the app. They don't, all the stuff you're saying, they don't know.
Right, and they're preying on. I mean, people that are doing it, the scammers. That's what they're preying on, right? That's
Yeah.
their goal. So that is true. That very valid, right?
It's the same douchebags that call up grandma and try to get her
Yes.
retirement savings or whatever, right? Because
Yep.
grandma doesn't know any better, and
So scummy.
yeah.
Yeah, my grandpa also almost got scammed from a guy calling from Dominican Republic saying that he haven't paid the electricity. I don't know about this price action. It's a little bit choppy. Especially NQ.
Yeah, I don't think I'm doing much here, guys. I think I'm probably all done for the day.
Me
I'm
too.
gonna call it. And then I'll be back at it tomorrow. ADR, I will talk to you next
Monday.
week.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Have a
Okay,
good
Monday.
one.
All right, everybody. Have a great day. Chat with you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah, I think I'm done too. Yeah, I'm red. Big red day for the challenge, but happy that we took, well, I took how much was it? Like a 40K pay from the challenge. Let me see. Yeah, 40K. 2K per account. So technically we're still green. We're up. That's 1300% return. Yeah, 1300% of return on my money. Yeah, I'm done. I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you for being here. Bye.